Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about replacement fields and something more about the if, elif, else blocks. So I have written a very small 8-line program here to explain you these two things. So in the first line you can say we are taking an input, please enter your name, and storing it in a variable name. So this is easy. Then in the next we will ask the user how old are you. As you can see here, I have put a curly braces 0 and then closing the curly braces. This is a replacement field that we are going to discuss about today. So replacement fields help us to just take out a variable and print its value in a short form. We can do this thing also like how old are you, then we will finish this, then we will put the variable name and then start again. So it looks a bit lengthy and is not so convenient. So here the replacement fields are used. So replacement fields are always started with curly braces. Then we put the number 0 in it only when it is the first replacement field that you are using in one line. For example, if you are using 3 replacement fields in only one line, you have to put one of them like brackets 0, close the bracket, then other one should have the number 1, then the third one should have the number 2, and so on and so on. Then as you can see here, we have used dot format. So this is a new function for you. Dot format is used to specify the variable whose value we are going to print in this replacement field. So dot format, then we have brackets here, and then the variable is name. As we want to print out how old are you, then the user's name. Then we will close all the brackets. Then as you can see here, we are using the if statement. If statement helps us to specify that a thing is true or false. So here we are checking that if age is less than 18. So we will print out, please come back in. Then there's a replacement field with the number 0, not 1 because we have not used any other replacement field before it. Like we have used it here but not in the same line. So come back in, then a replacement field, then years. And to print out we have written dot format again, and here we have used 18 minus age. So for example, the user's age is 17. Let us take 17. So it will print out, please come back in 1 year. Then just to use the elif block, I have written if age is equal to, we use two equal to's if we are checking if the variable and other thing which can be a variable or a number is equal. If the statement is true, it will print out sorry, too old. This is just for fun, no one can be 900 years, but just to use the elif statement. Then we use the else statement. So if age is less than 18, this will be printed out, and we use the elif here to check if age is equal to 900. So if both these statements are false, the last statement else will be executed. So here, if for example the user's age is 23, so it will print you are eligible to vote. So this program's output tells us that is the user eligible to vote or not. You can also modify this program into a driving age program. It is almost the same, just you have to change the string. So let me revise the dot format again. The dot format is used to specify the variable whose value we have to put in the replacement field. And then the format is like here, dot, then format we will write, then brackets and the name of the variable. Here the name of the variable is name itself. And to make calculations in dot format, we can write like normal maths, 18 minus age, as we have written here. Now let's run this program. Please enter your name. So I will enter immortal learner. If you write this code, you can enter your name. How old are you? So we will check all three statements. So if I say 14, so come back in 4 years. As we can see, after 4 years we will be 18 years. Then let's check the elif, which stands for else if condition. So let's enter 900. Oh, I just entered it in the name one. So we will enter 900 again here. So as we have specified, sorry, too old. Then we will run it again. Like I am writing just A. How old are you? Then if I give 23, then as I said, you are eligible to vote. We can try any values here. 80 just for example, then 78, you are eligible to vote, and so on. So I hope you like my video and my code. Wait for my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.